ladies and gentlemen, how are you today? Feel fine? Everything okay? Part 8 of this amazing project. Part 8. Do you believe that we have arrived to part 8? So in this part I will show you how I connect all the interior parts. I will show you more or less the wheel. I use another wheel from Hobby Design. It's look amazing, the BBS old school. Let's see what we can do on the interior, and then we'll connect it to this amazing chassis that already make. Look how it should look. I also put the disc brakes. I have many videos of how to make the disc brakes. You can see it on the Honda project, on the Porsche project. But now let's I will show you the parts and what I do on the interior. We connect everything together and we will step up. Come. So yes, you are with us. I want to show you some things that I do on the dashboard before I will finish it. As you can see, the dashboard look amazing. I had a remove before a flight over there, the keychain. I put the remove before the flight. It's look amazing. A keychain, guys, it's moving. Also I put a radio disc and half of the disc outside, and it's look fantastic. Also I had here some rib nuts and the dashboard and everything. Also the gas and the brakes, everything look fantastic, guys. Yes, this is the dashboard. I show you already the seats, magnificent. I use the zoom on the seat belts, and I use a water slide decal. Over there I use the bottle of NX nitrogen, and it look fantastic, guys. You can see it's over there. It's go direct into the engine with the clamps, hydraulic handbrakes, hydro, and that's it. Let's show you some trick about the wheels. I know that some people glue it, so what I'm doing for put the seats, I use a cube of a double side tube. I take one, I put it over there, nobody see it, below, as you can see, and then I remove the other area, and then I can put it. What do you think about it? Oh, Russo model, it was very easy. You cheat the system. Yes, again, put over there, try to make it in the center, and then remove it and put it here like a pro. Okay, you can play with it until you be satisfied it's in the right place and in the right shape. You can move it. Look how much easy is it. You can place it anywhere that you want. Look at it, it's not falling. No, double side foam, easy, guy, very good one. But now let's continue. Let's put the roll cage. Okay, what I do, I make a test fit to the roll cage. Everything look good. I can glue it. Okay, I will bring my glue. Yes, I take a piece of paper. As you can see, I use a Bob Smith Super Gold Plus. I put a little bit over there, and then I need to put the dashboard inside over there like that, and then come to this area. Okay, don't scare to make it, just put it in the right area. You see we have here a two area that you need to put it over there on the holes. So what I'm doing, before I put it, I take a toothpick and put little bit glue below, okay, in the holes. Over there we have a holes. I put little bit so nobody can see it. Amazing, Russo model, you are amazing. Okay, very easy task, guy. Little bit super glue on the holes, and then you can come from this area and put it over there. Super. Okay, and the dashboard also. We sit over there. You see the area over there? Inside they have a hole. You can put also from this area. How I know? Because I built many cars like that. But in the time you also build 1, 2, 3, 4 a BMW, and you will remember everything. Try to make it in the center. Look, dashboard with amazing results, guys. Super easy. Okay, let's put the door panel. One over here, you can see they have here a little gaps that you can put it in directly in the place. Over there you can see it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what I'm doing before it, I use a little bit glue. I do everything with the super glue. It's amazing glue. I put also over there and over there, and it will stay forever. Okay, I take one, do it slowly, put it in the right place and hold it for 10 seconds. You can see, no need a Tamiya glue for this job. It's look amazing. You can also add little bit here, it will stick together. Easy, guys. Look how I've got the door panels. Yes, let's do the other section. Okay, I put a little bit more glue. What you want to see next? I see the next project with you. Okay, same technique. What do you think? What we need to build together? Leave a comment and let me know if you will see this part of the video. So let me know what you want me to show you how I build it. Okay, same position. I will add a little bit more here. Fantastic. Super glue, guys, little bit, and put it in the right place, in the right shape. We have the amazing interior, guys. It look like hell. You see how I make the aluminum carpet? I buy it from Heroboy. It's I show you. I have it right here. Mr. Model. This is the aluminum. I buy 2 pieces like that. It's come in this area. You can take a masking tape, put inside, make a template, and then cut with the Xeron. You can see it over there. This is the tool that I use to cut it. Some steel scissors. Okay, so I think everything is glue. It's amazing. Let's show you. This is the chassis. This is the interior. This is the chassis. This is the interior. Okay, look how amazing is it. All the weathering. You can go to my video, see how I make the weathering. But it look awesome, guys. How I make the heat stain over there. And the disc brakes. I take the footage from Orbit Design detail upset. Paint the caliper in red. Everything look amazing. So now we will glue it over there and it will stay forever. Okay, I can give you a little bit tip. Don't put too much glue when you want to glue these 2 parts, because if you make any mistake you can remove it easily, but it will be awesome. So what I'm doing, put very little bit. No need to put pressure to remove it out if I will make any mistake. But now everything look amazing. So now I can put it inside. This is the chassis, this is the interior. Check. Everything like a Lego. Do you see the kitchen inside? It's moving. Remove before the flight. I have it right here and I will show you. It's like that, it's look like that. I flip it over, take the small one. You see, I all the time take the small one. Maybe when I make a big size scale of a car, I will use this one. But what I do, I flip it over, and I believe me that we will do it in some of the project together, and I will show you how to make it. But now it's already made. Also the disc, I think I buy it on. I will find and let you know about the radio disc over there. You see it? It looks fantastic. So now let's make a test fit, and I will show you the wheel that I use. I think the other wheels is little bit look very weird. Also a big surprise, we make the turbo. We make the turbocharger. It's look amazing. Let's make a test fit together. You see? Easy. It's moving. It's very good. So it means it's not cured yet. Let me check. It's very important not to put too much, because if you want to remove it, it will be very easy to you. Okay. One more good point for this model is that all the windshield and the window, it's not come from inside, it's come from outside. It's 4 pieces that come from outside, so you can put everything and then just glue the windshield, and this is what we do in the next video. But now let's make a test fit together with you. Look, like a glove. I don't need to put pressure. We remove the spoiler, just a moment, and I find the way over there. They have a little space over there, and then 2 click over there, and it's finished. You see how amazing is it? Look, super easy, guys. What you have to say? Tell me. Rocket Bunny style. Everything look amazing. Before I will put it in the turntable, and I will, if in the end of the video, I will show you from all direction. But now I will want to show you one more thing. Wait a second, I will bring the other wheel. Yes, so this is the wheel that I will use from Hobby Design. You can see it over there. I buy it on Euroboy, but this is the style. Okay, and this is the wheel that the rims that come from the kit himself. This is out of the box. It's a little bit smaller, and the eye, if you remember on the model, I cut this area, so it's, if I will put it, it will be a little bit weird. So what I prefer to do is use a bigger one with a dip. You can see over there we have a dip. I think it's more beautiful on the Rocket Bunny style. And look how amazing is it. Do you see it? Look at the big of the size of the wheel. It looks fantastic. Yes, the right shape, the right place. Everything look amazing. Who want to get a ride? So this is all the meaning that changing things in model, you can do everything. I will organize everything here and prepare you one more wonderful video together with me about making the windows, the handles, and I think we finish. Yes, super easy task. Have a good day and bye bye. Enjoy with us. Also on the channel.